Soon after I joined Baseten, I met Anthony Katz. He goes by Katz. Katz was the first account executive at Baseten. He understands our product better than almost anybody else. As we've added people to the organization, more and more Katz became a choke point for information and expertise. And I remember the day that Katz came up to me and he said, "Can we make a digital double of me?" It really began as a bit of a lark. It'll be funny, people can ask it questions. It won't capitalize anything because Katz never capitalizes anything. It won't use commas because Katz rarely uses commas. The first time that we used the agent, we were stunned. It really felt like we were talking to Katz. All the information that truly only Katz the person would ever have was now available to the agent and other peers in conversation with each other, which is an interaction model that I have never seen with humans and agents. The most surprising thing about custom agents at Baseten has been that individuals who did not think of themselves as builders have found ways to create agents that serve others. That is a very empowering act. Notion custom agents have gone from being tools to being collaborators.